Okay. Lean it back a little bit. We're going to get right here and just move that. Just like that.
Wow.
There we go. Just let that relax there for me. Oh, that a boy.
Ooh, yeah, that felt great.
Which is the rectus femoris. Breathe out for me right there. All the way down there. Oh, that a boy. Now lay on your back. Yeah. That's it. Oh. Now back up for me.
Ya. Inhala.
Ay.
Suelta. Suelta el cuerpo. Ajá, descarga la cabeza.
Ay.
Por el otro lado. Arrime la cámara acá. De medio lado. Suelta. Suelta.
Ay.
Descarga el cuerpo. Boca abajo.
Ay.
Inhala. Exhala. Arrime la cámara para que se escuche el movimiento acá.
Ay, no.
Suelta.
Ay.
Inhala. Exhala.
Ay.
Inhala. Exhala.
Ay, ay.
Ajá. Inhala. Exhala. ¿Rompió?
Ay.
Se sienta ahí. Inhala. Exhala. Inhala. Exhala.
Ay.
Inhala. Suelte. Suelte, mi vida.
Здорово. Побыстрее. Глубокий вдох. Расслабляйте себя, сильнее. Поворачивайся, иногда становится еще раз. Вдох, выдох. Держи, держи.
All right, Missy. Deep breath for me. All the way out. Beautiful. Perfect. Ooh. Give me that right here. This. Perfect. And we're going to bring you forward like this. Good. Deep breath. All the way out. Beautiful. Oh, my goodness. All the way out. Perfect. Deep breath for me. All the way out. Ooh. Take a big smile.
I love it.
Deep breath for me again. And relax. Good. Perfect. Look at him. His hip was rotated. Good. One more. Whew. Just back. Good. And give me these. Deep breath, bud. All the way out. There it is. Woo. Perfect. Good. And just deep breath, buddy. All the way out. Relax from your face. Nice. You get headaches at all, you or no?
No.
Good, good. Just making sure there's no tightness up there. That's all. Relax from your face. Oh. One more. Ooh.
Okay, let's let this go right here.
Oh my goodness.
Was that an orgasm? Okay. Okay, just relax the best you can here again.
Oh my god. Oh.
Yeah, beautiful. Good.
Getting like spasms coming into your bottom or
they're-
down your legs?
Yeah, they're all turned off little muscles.
Yep. Okay, I'm just going to bring this leg up slowly. Tell me if it grabs you.
It's grabbing up in the middle.
Grabbing you up there?
Yeah.
Yeah. It's going to bring your whole body over to keep your spine straight. And I'm just going to push this in. Good. I want you to come up slowly and...
Yes.
I'm just using his breathing. When I feel that it's starting to sink down a little bit deeper, I'll be able to just pick it up onto the disc a little bit.
Alright.
Keep breathing. Because each of your out breaths, I'm going to just push down a little bit deeper.
Yeah.
Take your hamstring muscles off a little bit. Let them back off. That's good. That's good. Beautiful. I'm actually going to give you a deeper adjustment on it. Good. And when I get this in the right spot, I'm just going to give it a little push with my hand. Might give you a fright, but it won't hurt.
That's going like a spasm.
It's alright, just let me hold it. Spasm will slow down in a minute, mate.
Like 10 times the size of a normal beach ball. And I dropped my shoulder and someone else hit the ball and it ricocheted to my neck and now I can't move my neck to the right.
So are you making fun of me by having your neck like this?
No, my neck is stuck. I can't
So
move
try,
it.
try to straighten it up just a little bit. Okay, why can't you do that? Because where's the pain?
The pain is on the right side of my
Serious
neck.
pain.
I
Okay.
can't move my neck.
So you just came in about 10 minutes ago,
10
waiting
minutes.
for me to treat him. Right there, good. Okay, let's go right here. Open the mouth. Perfect. And out. There you go, like that. Okay, one more time, breathe in. And out. Good. And one more adjustment. At the back. Good, perfect. Okay, on your side this way.
Which
The
way?
rest of his body so we can get the body working together as a unit. So again, I've adjusted him a lot of times before in the past. And so I'm really familiar with this case. Good, on the side.
Okay, what do I do?
Leg straight.